Now we guys are ready, so let's welcome her, one and only Annalouise Kenny from Skin Philosophy. Please put your hand together for beautiful Annalouise. Thank you everyone, thank you so much.
Hi. So I'm Anna Louise from Skin Philosophy in London. And what I want to do is bring the technology we use in London to upgrade our facials. And I want to educate you guys on how to make facials better. But I don't speak Hindi, so you need to have patience. And if you don't understand anything, then you can come to my stand afterwards and ask me any questions. Okay? Is everyone understanding so far? Little bit? Yes, cool. Okay, so we're going to do a facial on Lauren today, and we're going to use different technologies to really make really good results. So in the clinic in London and in our trainings, we teach people that using technologies together in one treatment, not just doing like LED facial, but doing LED with other treatments incorporated together gives really amazing results. So how many of you guys have a salon? Salon owners or learning facials? If you're not learning facials or you're in the beauty world and want to learn facials, facials is such a good treatment to learn. It's such a good revenue to add into your hair, to your makeup, and it's very, very easy. So, first of all, what we have is we're going to do the LED, but first I'm going to give Lauren a cleanse. Now, Lauren has Lauren has lovely skin, but we're going to do a cleanse first and have a look at her skin, okay? So for the cleanse, I'm going to use a cleanse sponge, and this just takes off the makeup. And this is just going to clean off her face first. Because if you do a facial and your skin isn't clean, if you don't clean and exfoliate, then you're just going to put more stuff on top of dirt. So we need to make sure that it's nice and clean before we do the treatments. So Lauren has good skin, yeah? It's like nice, clear, but we have a few little like breakouts. So who has heard of muscle stimulation? Muscle lifting? You've heard of this. They could have. So we're going to use muscle lift first to help lift and tighten our face. This is anti-aging treatment, lifting treatment. We're going to see the result straight away. Straight away during the treatment, we'll see the result. So I'm going to apply aloe vera first. Aloe vera is really, really hydrating and calming, like soothing for the skin. So we're going to apply that to her skin. And then we're going to do the muscle stimulation. So how this works is electricity comes through and causes your muscles to lift, tighten, exercise. So you're exercising your face. So we're going to use the first part, an EMS. So I'm going to work towards the lymph nodes. Does anyone know like lymph nodes detox in the skin? You always move to the ear. This is where your skin detoxes. So this is going to lift and tighten her skin. And when I do this in a treatment, I would use this and do a nice massage first. If I do a massage afterwards, I've lifted and tightened, but then I have to massage. So massage first for like dry, aging, old skin, and then massage, and then use this afterwards. And this is before your serum. So we can use this around the eye area. You can feel it. So this is like, you know, when you get eyes start to drop, we're going to use it here to open up the eyes. And this is exercising her muscles in her face. When we get old, our face muscles fall. Like this is why we get like drooping skin. And this is going to exercise her skin to lift and tighten it. So has anyone tried microcurrents before? Anyone seen? No? Anyone tried it? It's really good to introduce into your facial. See, you can see your muscles twitching. And so now I'm going to have a look at her skin and see the difference around the eyebrow. So you should do this 10 minutes each side. Now, we're always going to concentrate on like, this is where we age, this is where we fall down. So we need to focus to do here. So you can see this side has still the line, whereas this is more smooth and plump. So now we're going to do it on this side. And we have to make sure that we do spend the time on each side working over the muscles to lift and tighten it. And you can see her muscle. See here? Her muscle is twitching. That's like her muscle moving. This is what exercising is. When you're exercising the muscle, you're causing it to contract, move. And this is what's giving the lifting and tightening. So it's amazing results for aging to change the face. So now we're going to do LED. Has anyone heard LED? LED? So LED is lights that stimulate collagen or is antibacterial. So you can have red light, you can have blue light, or you can have yellow light. Oh, the plug is in there. So when we turn it on, it all turns red. We're gonna... Is that plug there? Is the plug there? So tight. Yeah, it's not. So has anyone seen this? high frequency. So she has 1 or 2 blemishes. So what we're going to do is make them disappear. So with this, you don't touch the skin. If you touch the skin, it stops. You should be hovering on the skin. You can see like a little bolt. See, it should be on the skin like this. That makes like a little lightning onto the skin. And so this dries out the oil, takes the oil, gets rid of the bacteria, and dries out the breakouts. So you can do this, if you're doing a facial, you can do this after you cleanse and exfoliate. So we do our cleanse, we scrub, we can steam, and then afterwards we can do like for the open pores, the blemishes, all of this, we can work out that area. Okay. So it feels like less already. So the LED, you can put on the skin by itself or with a serum. So I'm just going to put a serum on her. So this is hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is water molecules. Have you ever heard of hyaluronic? Hyaluronic acid. It's water for your skin. It attracts water to your skin. So if your skin's dry, it's really good. Okay. No. Just keep. So we put on the face mask, and in this, there's an eye treatment as well. So you have LED all over, and then you have eye treatment. This gets hot. So it then moves, like helps brighten the eye area and moves fluid. So if you puffy eyes, it helps get rid of that. So the red lights will stimulate collagen. The blue light will be antibacterial. And then around the eyes, it'll brighten it and lift it because of the eye treatment here. So this vibrates and gets hot. Now, I don't have. It's fine. Okay, there's no. Just. Okay, we've no plug now. So this basically stays on for 10 minutes, and I've picked to use blue light for her because it's antibacterial. So that blue light then will help with the breakouts as well. So if I'm treating oily skin, it's blue light, or if I'm treating dry, aging skin, it's red light. So you decide on the light, and then you put it onto their skin. You leave it for 10 minutes while this works, and then you can take it off and then have new skin. So any questions on this while she's on? No. Everyone's quiet. If you want to try this, if you want to have a go, if you want to try a demo, come to the stall D11 and you can have a go. You can put it on and try it and feel it. Okay. Any questions? No? It's okay? Okay. It's okay without Hindi. Thanks. Cool. Oh, fucking hell. Where was it? Okay. Thank you very much. And come to my stall, please, and see. Thanks.